Hi everyone, this is Brad. If you've had any students that are struggling with some topics and you want to have a specific assignment for that, Khan Academy is a great way to do that. So let's go ahead in. We're going to go in to the teacher dashboard and we're going to, let's just say second grade, select continue. Now, within the class, in this example, we're going to import from Google Classroom and import class. You can enter in your class name if you want, however it is you typically do that. Now, what we need to do is we need to go in and have some assignments. So let's go into assignments and assign. Now with this one, we're going to go into add and subtract within 20. So let's do add within 20, scroll down, and we're just going to send in the exercise. So we're going to choose this one here and assign it. Again, you can see you can send in different questions. You can assign it to specific students or all students, as well as a start and stop date or when it's due. So we're going to assign it. Show you what it looks like from a student point of view. Okay, so I'm in as my son. We're going to select assignments. You can see here it is. We're going to start it. Now, I'm going to go through and answer them. I'll get one wrong just to show you at the very end here. Okay, so I'm going to get this one wrong. You can see they can get help or move on. It's up to them. I'm going to go ahead in. Let's fix this real fast. Hit check again. Show the summary. You can see they got 6 out of 7. We're going to select done, and they can see that they got an 86%. They can go in and select that and see the questions, or try it again. You as the teacher can go ahead in, and when you come over here to assignments, you can see scores right away, and you can see right in here that Jack has an 86. So there you go. Any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.